I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can deposit money to Moonshot. Now, from your Moonshot app here, you want to go to the holding section down here. Now, on the holding section, you'll see there's a very big button here called deposit. Just tap on that. Now, on deposit, you want to enter in your deposit amount. So, for example, I want to deposit $200. Now, on $200 here, you can also pick what kind of deposit method you want to do. So, for example, there's credit or debit card, there's crypto. It'll change your deposit method into a QR code just like this. There's also another method called bank transfer, Coinbase and PayPal, but as you can see right now, it's not really available on my region. But once you're happy, for example, I just want to do credit or debit card, just like this. Once I enter in the amount and make sure it's correct, just click on, just swipe on to deposit. On allow to take pictures on video, I'm just not going to allow it because I don't think I need it. And you see, it'll change me into a new web here, where it basically will try to verify my identity and my email as well to make the deposit. Let's just wait for it to load. Now you can see it just asked me to do a verification real quick. Let me do this real quick. Now, once you verify, you'll be able to continue with your process for cash or debit. You just might need to enter in your details, but after that, you can continue with your deposit process. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.